Welcome to Bright Learning. Our today's topic is reversible reaction and chemical equilibrium. Before start discussion on chemical equilibrium, let's understand equilibrium in general term. When we think of the term equilibrium, the first word that comes to mind is balance. We are having so many examples all around us that represents equilibrium, such as a body is said to be balanced if net force working on it is zero or it is at rest. Similarly, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, while plants consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This maintains a natural balance of these gases in atmosphere. So this is example of equilibrium. Another type of equilibrium is static equilibrium. It is a condition when all the forces acting on a system are zero or reaction ceases to proceed. It is called static equilibrium. A building remains standing rather than falling down because all the forces acting on it are balanced. This is an example of static equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, that is also called dynamic state of equilibrium. It is a state in which the rate of the forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of the backward reaction, but in opposite direction. This equilibrium is attained by two types of reaction: forward reaction and backward or reverse reaction. Forward reaction are those reactions in which reactants react to form the products, whereas in backward reaction, products recombine to form the reactants. In order to understand the forward and reverse reaction, let's have an illustration. We are having a bucket in which water is being filled. Now make a hole in the bucket. You can observe that water flowing inside, dropwise, that is also flowing out of the bucket. In this case, drops falling in the bucket is an example of forward reaction, and the water which is flowing out of the bucket is a reverse reaction. In this example, the amount of water that is being filled in the bucket is nearly equal to that amount of water which is flowing out of the bucket. So apparently, water level remains same and no change occur in this bucket. But in fact, two reactions are occurring inside at the same time, but in opposite direction, that is filling in and flowing out from the bucket. Now the types of reaction and their direction. There are two types of reaction with respect to their direction: one-way direction and two-way direction. Reactions which proceed only in one way, those are called irreversible reaction, and the reaction which proceed in two ways, forward and reverse reaction, that is called reversible reaction. In the case of irreversible reaction, reactants can react to form the products, but products can not react back to form the reactants, such as solid coal or carbon. When burned with oxygen, in this combustion, we get carbon dioxide and heat. But the products which we obtained cannot be changed again into the reactants. Whereas in reversible reaction, reactants react to form the products, and after some time, products react to form the reactants. As in the reaction, nitrogen and hydrogen gas reacting together to form ammonia, and ammonia gas decomposes back to form nitrogen and hydrogen gas. So this is a good example of reversible reaction.